Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the Airsep VisionAire 5 Oxygen Concentrator. Stick around as we cover its overview, key specifications, accessories, price, and warranty. Overview. The Airsep VisionAire 5 Oxygen Concentrator is a compact 5-liter oxygen concentrator designed for both home and clinical use. Weighing just 13.6 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to move, making it suitable for small spaces. Now let's take a closer look at its key specifications. 1. Oxygen flow. Delivers up to 5 liters per minute of oxygen. 2. Purity levels. Maintains an oxygen purity of 93% plus 3%, ensuring effective therapy. 3. Power consumption. Uses only 290 watts, making it energy efficient and cost-effective. Accessories you'll get when you buy the Airsep VisionAire 5 Oxygen Concentrator. A humidifier bottle to make oxygen delivery more comfortable. A nasal cannula so you can start using it immediately. And a user manual to guide you through setup and maintenance. From where to purchase Airsep VisionAire 5 Oxygen Concentrator? You can purchase the Airsep VisionAire 5 Oxygen Concentrator from Docneer Hospi Solutions at lowest guaranteed price in India. Plus, enjoy a warranty of up to 3 years when you make your purchase from Docneer Hospi Solutions. Who are we? We are Docneer Hospi Solutions Private Limited, a company founded by alumni engineers from IIT Bombay and doctors from AIMS Delhi, a direct importer and wholesale medical devices seller approved by the CDSCO Government of India. We support hospitals and doctors by offering high-quality new and refurbished medical equipment at the lowest guaranteed prices across India. For more details, contact us at 8228 444 55.